Okay, let's look at capacity. And I'm not drinking water this time. So, we're measuring capacity in a metric system. The base unit of measurement for capacity in a metric system is liters. You've probably seen liters several times throughout your life. You've seen the giant L or an ML. Those are the two most common things that we see whenever we're looking at fluids and how much fluid you have of something. For instance, water in a bottle. You usually will see ml or you'll see L. L for liters, ml for milliliters. That M, still the same prefix that we used before for meters and just in the metric system period, is for milli. So, what does that mean? Well, it means that we pretty much have already covered this. The only difference is we're putting the L instead of whatever other symbol or word we've put in there before. So, L for liter, that's our base. The highest that most people will use would be kiloliters or kiloliters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liters. 1 hectoliter is equal to 100 liters. 1 decaliter, DAL, is equal to 10 liters. 1 deciliter is equal to 1/10 of a liter or zero point 0.1 liters. 1 centiliter is equal to 0.01 liters or 1/100th of a liter. 1 milliliter is equal to 1,000th of a liter. That's right, 1,000th of a liter. In other words, 1,000 milliliters will equal one whole liter. Okay, cool. So that's actually the most common thing that people convert with, milliliters and liters, whenever they're doing it. So let's do an example with that. So let's say we have 3,760 milliliters, and we want to know how many liters that is. 3,760 milliliters, how many liters is that? Well, what do we know? We know that a milliliter, 1 milliliter, is equal to 0.001 liters. And if you don't like that notation, that's fine. You could do it the other way with having your 1,000 milliliters here and your 1 liter here. It's going to be the same either way, as long as you have the correct conversion factor. Doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, so if we do that, and that word gets to you. If you do that, we'll end up with 3.76 liters, which is pretty dang close to a gallon. That was in the customary system, Mr. Stevens. What are you talking about? We're doing metric now. That's right. But because a lot of people in the world do different things, they use different units of measurements. You have to understand the two and how to go between them. So, measuring capacity in the metric system, we use liters as our base. Our prefixes stay the same. It's the same conversions. Everything's based off of powers of 10 still. I'll see you soon. Gave you a sneak peek.